Hi guys! Mahilig ka ba sa mga quiz games? Kung mahilig ka, para sa iyo ang laro na ito. At currently, hindi pa ito pwedeng i-download sa Play Store dahil para lang ito sa mga gumagamit ng CSR or Commentary Screen Reader or G-Show Screen Reader. So, ito ay nagagamit lamang sa tools ng CSR. So, mamaya makikita nyo sa interface ng game kung ano yung nilalaman ng game na yon. So, i-explain ko na lang sa inyo kung paano ba gamitin yun. Pero bago ang lahat guys, bago tayo magsimula, huwag nyo kalimutan mag-like, share at subscribe. At paki-follow na rin ang aking TikTok account para sa updated ka sa mga bago kong contents or mga clip videos na ina-upload ko sa TikTok. Pati yung Facebook page ko guys, paki-follow na lang din. Search nyo lang Spy the Blind Explorer PH. Makikita nyo lang yun sa Facebook. Yun. So, ayan guys. Simulan natin to pagkatapos ng aking intro.
Welcome to Spry the Blind Explorer TV. This YouTube channel is dedicated to all things in accessibility. Before you dive in, make sure to hit that like button, share this with your friends, and subscribe for more awesome content. Spry the Blind Explorer TV. Let's dive headfirst into the exhilarating, ever-evolving world of tech, ready to explore its mind-blowing innovations. Alright, let's do this. Launcher.
So, ayun guys, ang pangalan pala ng game is Audio KBC with AI. So, ayan guys, medyo mataas lang siya, mga nasa 2 MB, pero maganda to guys kung gusto nyo i-test yung knowledge nyo when it comes sa science, mathematics, ganon. Ito yung maganda dito guys kasi pwede siyang gumawa ng multiple questions, tapos pipili ka ng option from A to D. Bale A, B, C, D yung pagpipilian mo na option sa mga sagot. So ayan, open na natin. So una, punta tayo sa G-Show. Kung ano man yung G-Show na ginagamit nyo, pwede naman. Pero ngayon ang gamit ko is G-Show Max. So, naka-max ako ngayon. So, may iba't ibang paraan tayo ng pag-open ng G-Show. So, sa akin, double tap with 3 fingers. Ayan.
G-Show Max.
Ayan. So, ngayon hanapin natin dito yung tools. Naka-download na kasi siya. At hindi rin to kasi ma-upload sa server guys kasi mataas masyado yung MB.
Advanced settings, extensions, tools.
So nandito na siya sa tools. Kung gusto nyo pala guys yung download link na sa comment section.
Downloaded tools, extend tools.
Ayan.
Tools.
Ilalagay ko rin guys yung download link sa post pagkatapos ng video.
Enter keyword text box.
So ito siya.
New button. More options but audio KBC with AI.
Our time is 5:30.
So ayan. Ito siya guys.
Cricket audio KBC with AI.
Audio KBC with AI. So open natin.
G-Show close button.
So ayan, may sound effects na siya guys.
KBC with AI. Select your category and number of questions to begin.
So may screen reader din siya guys. Ayan.
G-Show Max. Audio KBC with
May
AI.
nagsasalita siya, may text-to-speech din siya. Kung ano yung naka-default sa inyo guys na text-to-speech engine, yun yung magsasalita.
Test your knowledge. Select category.
So dito guys, ito.
Test your audio. G-Show Max.
Ayan,
Close button.
test your knowledge yung nakalagay dito.
G-Show Max. Audio KBC with AI. Test your knowledge.
So ayan.
Select category.
So dito sa
Item 1 of 18
category.
general knowledge combo box.
So pag general knowledge, iba't iba yung tanong na bibigay niya sa'yo. So open natin.
Pop-up general knowledge checked.
So general knowledge,
Science and technology unchecked.
science and technology,
History unchecked.
history,
Geography unchecked.
geography,
Mathematics unchecked.
mathematics,
Sports unchecked.
sport,
Movies and entertainment unchecked.
movies and entertainment,
Music unchecked.
music,
Literature unchecked.
literature,
Art and culture unchecked.
art and culture,
Politics unchecked.
politics,
Business and economics unchecked.
business and economics,
Space and astronomy unchecked.
space and astronomy,
Animals and nature unchecked.
animals and nature,
Food and cooking unchecked.
food and cooking,
Programming and coding unchecked.
programming and coding,
Medicine and health unchecked.
medicine and health,
Philosophy unchecked.
philosophy.
Music unchecked.
So ayun lang guys, kasi yun lang yung ano niya, yun yung mga options dito kung ano yung gusto mong mga tanong dito. For example, pag general, iba't ibang tanong yung ibibigay niya sa'yo. Pag science and technology, yung mga tanong naman na ibibigay niya is puro science and technology lang. At pag, for example, mathematics, yung tanong niya sa'yo, puro mathematics lang din. So, ganun lang yun guys. So, pipili tayo dito guys ng kung ano yung maganda dito, no? So, pipili ako dito ng isa.
Literature unchecked. Art and culture, politics and business and space and astronomy unchecked.
So, para sa akin, ito maganda yung space and astronomy. Yan.
G2O Max. Select number of item 5 of 2. Select number of questions.
So, dito
Item
naman guys.
5 of 205 combo box.
So, dito, pipili kayo kung ilang tanong yung gusto nyo na ibigay sa'yo. For example, ito, open natin.
Pop up 5, 4, 3, 2 unchecked, 1 unchecked.
Ayan, pwedeng isa lang.
2 unchecked. 3 unchecked, 4 unchecked, 5 checked, 6 unchecked, 7 unchecked, unchecked, 9 unchecked, 10 unchecked, 11 unchecked, 12 unchecked, 13 unchecked, 14 unchecked, 15 unchecked, 16 unchecked, 17 unchecked, 18 unchecked, 19 unchecked, 20 unchecked, 12 unchecked, 11 unchecked, 10 unchecked.
Ayan guys, so pipili kayo kung ilan yung gusto nyo. So para sa akin, maganda kung mas marami, lagay natin sa 10.
G2O Max.
Yan. Tapos,
Select number of quest item 13 of 18 space and astronomy combo. Select item 10 start quiz game button.
so start quiz game. So, ayan.
Exit start quiz game button.
Ayan. Oh, so, pag pinindot nyo yun guys, ayan.
Loaded jet requesting from URL. https://almadal 0% progress bar.
So, ayan, meron siyang loading. So, medyo matagal pala to guys. Ayan. Medyo matagal siya. May katagalan din to eh.
Music volume. Quiz generating quiz. AI is creating 10 questions about space and astronomy. This may take a moment.
Ayan.
0% generated. Response code. 200.
So, ayan. Pag ganyan na guys, ibig sabihin nagsimula na.
Which planet has the longest day rotation period in our solar system? Option A,
So-
Venus. Option B, Mercury. Option C, Earth. Option D, Mars.
So, ayan yung option. Yung
Pose button.
options
G2O
nyo.
Max. Quiz game. Stop
So,
game
ito
button.
yung, pwede nyo rin pabasa sa screen reader guys. You know.
Game in category.
Pag hindi
Space
nyo
and
narinig yung sinabi ng text to speech, pwede nyo ipabasa dito sa screen reader.
Total questions. 10.
Yan.
Solved. 0. Correct. 0. Wrong. 0. Remaining. 10. Question 1 of 10.
Yan.
Which planet has the longest day rotation period in our solar system?
So, ayan.
Select your answer.
So, dito sa select answer, ito yung pagpipilian dito. So, kada question guys, nag-iiba-iba rin yung options dito.
A, Venus button. B, Mercury button. C, Earth button. D, Mars button.
So, kung ano yung sa tingin nyo guys na tama na sagot, pipindutin nyo lang. So,
C, Earth
Our
button. B, Mercury.
time
A,
is
Venus button.
5:35.
ito ang
B, A, Venus
ito
button.
yung sagot. Yan. So, para sa akin, ito yung
B, A, Venus
sagot.
button.
So, may sounds din pala to guys pag pag narinig nyo. Ayan, pag ganun yung sound niya, ibig
The
sabihin,
answer is Venus.
tama.
Question 2. Which type of galaxy is the Milky Way classified as? Option A, elliptical. Option B, irregular. Option C, spiral. Option D, lenticular.
So, pipili ulit tayo.
B, irregular button. C, spiral button.
Ayan.
Correct. The answer is spiral. Question 3. What is the name of the theoretical boundary around a black hole beyond which nothing can escape? Option A, event horizon. Option B, singularity.
Mhm.
Option C, accretion disk.
Okay.
Option D, photon sphere.
So, pipili tayo dito ulit.
B, singularity, event horizon button.
Ayun,
Correct.
tama.
The answer is event horizon. Question 4. Which mission was the first to land a rover on Mars? Option A, Voyager 2. Option B, Curiosity. Option C, Viking 1. Option D, Spirit.
Actually guys, wala akong kaalam-alam dito pero ayun, sinusubukan ko lang din yung knowledge ko dito kung ano yung sa tingin ko dito na na tama. At pwede rin pala ito guys ma-improve yung skills nyo sa pag-iisip or pag-remember. Yan.
B, Curiosity button.
So,
A, Voyager 2 button. B, Curiosity button. C, Viking 1 button. D, Spirit button. C, B, Curiosity button.
so hindi ko talaga alam dito kaya ito na lang. Ayun guys,
Wrong.
ayan,
The
mali.
correct answer is Viking 1. Question 5. What is the most abundant element in the universe by mass? Option A, hydrogen.
Mhm.
Option B, helium.
Helium.
Option C, oxygen. Option D, carbon. A, hydrogen button. B, helium button.
Ayun, mali.
Wrong. The correct answer is hydrogen.
Ayan.
Question 6. Which exoplanet detection method measures the dimming of a star's light? Option A, radial velocity. Option B, transit photometry. Option C, direct imaging. Option D, microlensing. A, radial velocity button. B, transit photometry button. A, radial velocity button.
Ayun, mali rin.
Wrong.
So,
The correct
ayun
answer
guys,
is transit for question 7.
hindi ko alam
The
dito yung
term
mga sagot.
supernova refers to what kind of astronomical event? Option A, collision of two galaxies. Option B, explosion of a massive star. Option C, formation of a new star. Option D, black hole evaporation. Select your A, collision of. Select the term supernova refers to what kind of astronomical event? Select your answer. A, collision of two galaxies button. B, explosion of a massive star button.
Ayun, tama.
Correct. The answer is explosion of a Mac. Question 8.
Ayan.
The Kuiper belt lies beyond which planet? Option A, Neptune.
Mhm.
Option B, Uranus. Option C,
Uranus,
Saturn.
Saturn.
Option D, Jupiter.
So,
A, Neptune button.
ayun.
Correct. The answer is Neptune. Question 9. Who first proposed that the sun is at the center of the solar system? Option A, Copernicus. Option B, Galileo. Option C, Kepler. Option D, Newton.
Mhm.
B, Galileo
So,
button.
mga pangalan pala to ng
A, Copernicus button. B, Galileo button. C, Kepler button.
uy, mali.
Wrong. The correct answer is Copernicus. Question 10. What is the approximate temperature of the cosmic microwave background radiation? Option A, 2.7 K. Option B, 10 K. Option C, 100 K. Option D, 0.1 K. B,
Okay.
10 K. A, 2.7 K button.
Ayun.
Correct. The answer is 2.7 K.
So-
Quiz results. Quiz complete. Total questions. 10 correct answers. Quiz complete.
So, ayun guys, pag ganyan yung tunog, ibig sabihin nanalo. Nanalo tayo ng mataas.
Exit button. Play again button. Quiz results. Quiz complete. Total exit button. Quiz complete. Total questions. 10 correct answers. 6 wrong answers. 4 score. 60.0%.
So, ayun.
Exit button.
So,
Play again button.
ayan. Pag gusto nyo maglaro ulit or gusto nyo bumalik sa main menu ng game, pwede kayong pumili dito. Pwede kayong mag-play again or exit. So, exit na tayo.
Exit button. Exit audio KBC with AI.
So, ayan. May prompt.
Exit button.
So, exit natin.
G2O Max. Tools.
So, ayan. May sound siya. May
Our
pahabol.
time is 5:40.
So, may pahabol pa siya na sound pagtapos mo maglaro. So, ayun lang muna guys. Sana ay natuwa kayo sa panibago nating content. At huwag kalimutan i-like ang video na ito kung nagustuhan nyo. Paki-share na rin sa mga kaibigan nyo at paki-subscribe naman. So, ayun lang guys.
Expand Android style tools. Stop.
Sana ay natuwa kayo sa aking video.